Welcome back to my channel where we discuss finances and how we actually grow your business. And I'm going to share with you my personal experience. I'm running a successful real estate company for the last 7 years, and I wanted to share with you what I've been doing so that actually we can retain the money and continue growing. So let me share with you this one because a lot of new agents and business owners who are just starting up making a big fail, and this is why. Imagine this. You get a check. You receive a check of $10,000. Most people will reinvest this full amount back in their business. But where they end up actually failing is by taking this money and completely investing. But here is what I have learned the hard way running a business for the last 7 years. We got taxes. Corporate taxes will be approximately 20%, which I'm putting aside every check that comes in, $2,000 into a completely separate account. Then also what I'm doing is that we have HST in Canada, which will be about 13%. That is $1,300 every check that comes in goes to a completely separate account that goes with HST. Then I'm reinvesting the money in my marketing. On every check, we spend about 20%, which is $2,000 per check. So imagine, I don't have the $10,000 to reinvest back in the marketing. What I do have, I have created a budget of 20%, that $2,000 on every check will go for marketing. And then I also have operational. Okay, for me to be able to successfully run a business, I need to have assistance. I need to have a lot of help that goes in. We're investing 20%. Okay? So just to repeat, every check that comes in, $10,000 as an example, $2,000 goes into a separate account that is a corporate tax for $2,000. Then I have an HST account that puts away $1,300 every single check. Then we're investing in marketing about 20%. It's a solid number that we have done from year one, 20%, $2,000. And then we have an operational account that helps us pay for all the print and materials that we need to actually operate the business, another 20%, $2,000. And the balance, which is 27%, goes into savings. Okay, so 27%, that's my balance, which is $2,700. Now, I'm not there going to reinvest this money right away into the business, but I'm putting it in a separate account. I call it a profit account. This money right here stays with us for a rainy day, as they say, or for any opportunity that you're looking to grow. Again, I have made big mistake was I would earn the money and I would reinvest back into the business right away, thinking that, okay, I got $10,000, let's put it all back into the business. What was happened is, towards the end of the year, you now need to start paying HST and corporate taxes. And you're like, okay, oh my God, where is the actual money? But guess what? You invested the money back to the business, but the CRA doesn't really care. They want their HST and they want their corporate taxes. So year 2, after running the business for a while, I realized, I said to myself, you know what? I need to start putting the money aside right away. As soon as the check arrives, it splits to 5 different accounts. This way, I don't need to think about it towards the end of the year, or now that we're actually doing HST on a quarterly basis, I don't have to think about it anymore because I have the money already saved up in all those 5 accounts. And again, we're talking about one check being $10,000, but it could be 20, and imagine a check of $50,000 or even a $100,000 check. If you reinvest the money back into your business, you might be able to find yourself kind of saying to myself, okay, where is the money? At the end of the year, you will be like, where is the money? By splitting it this way, you know that you have the HST saved up, you have the taxes saved up, you are investing back in your marketing, because a lot of people, a lot of small businesses don't actually invest money in their marketing. They're running everything 100% on operational, but this is very important. You need to make sure that you're investing money to grow your business in marketing. And you must put money aside for savings because you never know, and at some point an opportunity might come up and you would like to grow, but there has to be money saved up. That's how we do it. I'm glad that you're able to follow me, and hopefully I will see you around.